As you can see, I'm using Roblox Studio on my Chromebook right now, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do the same. So this is an updated video for the previous one. A lot of people were complaining and they had issues with it, so this is a revised and improved version with different solutions to different problems. So go ahead and watch this video till the end. Let's get right into it. The first step to get Roblox on your Chromebook is to get the Linux terminal.
I need you guys to type in settings and hit enter right away. Great. Now I need you guys to focus on the left panel, scrolling all the way down to the bottom until you find the About Chromeware section. Excellent. Now go ahead and search for the Linux development environment and click the setup button to the right hand side of that. Now once in the interface, I need you guys to go ahead and click on next. Now as you can see, it allows you to customize your username.
Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and also comment down if this video works for you. Now let's go right back.
And so I'm going to make mine GD7 OS for the sake of this video, and I'm going to leave it on recommended because 10 gigs is just enough for me, and I'm going to click on install. Now once this is downloading, we'll be moving on to the next step. Great. Now once your terminal is done downloading or installing, go ahead and click on your launcher on the left hand side and type in terminal. And then once that is there, go ahead and select the one with the green and white slash right there. Now once this opens, go ahead and click on Penguin right under Linux, which should load you and boot you up into your terminal.
How to download Roblox Studio on Chromebook. Now go to your browser and on the search engine, go ahead and type in GD7 playways.blogspot.com/2025/03/rbs.html. Go ahead and press enter. Now once you're on this website, I need you guys to scroll down and copy this link right here. Open a new tab and go ahead and paste it. Great, now our file gets automatically downloaded, so just click on show in folder right here. Great, now there is our file. Go ahead and right click on it and cut it. Now go over to Linux files, then go ahead and right click and paste it there. Great, now there you see our file. Go ahead and right click and rename and just write Roblox Studio and press enter. Great. Now that this is done, now click on the launcher button on the bottom left and go ahead and type in terminal and press enter and click on the penguin right here. How to install Roblox Studio on Chromebook. Type in sudo space apt space update and hit enter. Great. Now type in sudo space apt space upgrade and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter. Great. Now this was to make sure that your Chromebook is up to date so we won't have any issues when we're downloading Microsoft Office. Now type in cat space /etc/debian_version and hit enter. Your version should at least be 10 to continue. We've verified that your Chromebook is up to date. Now we can install Microsoft Office. So you're going to type in sudo space apt space install space flatpak and you're going to hit enter. Great. Now type in Y and hit enter again. Now wait for it to download. Great. Now go ahead and type in sudo space flatpak space install space Roblox Studio, that's the file we named it, .flatpakref. Great. Now go ahead and press enter and wait for this to finish installing. Now we're done installing Roblox Studio, but the issue is that for most people, Roblox Studio is not going to work by just doing this. So there's this one issue that occurs when you're trying to download Roblox Studio. So go ahead and type in sudo space -l space flatpak space run space org.vinegarhq dot capital V INEGAR space studio space run. Now this is the code that I wrote in the previous video, but I realized that it's not going to work, so do not press enter on this, but there's other ways you can fix some errors. Now this is the issue that I saw most people complaining about, saying that the device does not have the minimum requirements. So I'm going to teach you how you can fix this error. Great. Now you're going to go ahead and click on the launcher right here and you're going to type in VINEGAR, that's vinegar, and you're going to click on this right here. Great. Now you get this opening screen right here. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and click on the full screen button right here and go ahead and click on configure Wine Now you get this really tiny window, and there's a bunch of different things here, but we're just going to focus on this Windows thing right here. So what you're going to do is whatever Windows version you have right now, whether it's 7 or whether it's 10 or 11, whatever it is, just change it to the latest one, that's Windows 11. So just go ahead and do that. We're doing this because you need at least Windows 10 to run Roblox Studio on your Chromebook. Now this should resolve the issue of the device not meeting the requirements. This should also help with the unrecognized command issue. I hope I was able to fix that issue for you, but the job isn't done here because there's just so many other things you can do to maximize your experience there. So watch this video till the end. Now some people were saying that the Roblox Studio keeps on blinking and crashing, so this is how you're going to fix it. There's a very easy way to fix it by just writing a few codes. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and click on this settings bar right here. And there you're going to go ahead and type in this big bracket and write Studio and in the bracket and hit enter. Now I need you to type in DXVK equals to false and hit enter. And lastly, I want you to type in RENDER equals to VULKAN. V needs to be capital and in quotations. So go ahead and hit enter, and that's it. The flickering issue should be gone by now, but if it still does not work, then you can just go ahead and join our Discord. The link is in the description and we could help you guide through it. There's just one more thing left. Now go back. Now if you want even more smoother experience, you're going to go to your browser and you're going to go ahead and type in CHROME. You're going to put in the colon, and you're going to put in forward slashes, 2 of them, and then you're going to write flags and hit enter right away. Now as you can see, this pop-up has appeared. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and search CROSTINI. It is this one right here, and you're going to enable this one right here. You're also going to look up override software rendering list. So you're going to go ahead and also enable this. Now you're going to restart your device, and don't forget to come back to the video because I have more things to say. And I'll teach you how to launch it as well. Now this is going to help you with your lagginess, and it's going to make everything very smooth for you. Great, now I've restarted my device. I'm going to go ahead and look up Vinegar again, and this time around I'm going to click on the Run Studio button right there. Now as you can see, Roblox Studio is working perfectly on my Chromebook, so fix any errors that you had to. Now you can make anything on Roblox Studio with no issues. But again, if you're still facing issues, like I said before, you can always join our Discord. The link is in the description. Now if you want to know how you can get Steam on your school Chromebook, go ahead and click on the video on the screen. Otherwise, like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below if this video worked for you. Peace out.